everyone. I am Dr. Shobha Kumari, a plus 2 English teacher working in an inter college, Pachrukhi, Sivan. Welcome to my online learning platform. From today, we are going to start our online classes. At first, I will deal with the class 12 book, English book, that is Rainbow Part 2, which is developed by SCERT Bihar. Students, whenever you get new books, you are very eager to explore the book, to find out, go through the book, what is there in the book, the contents, what type of poetries or lessons are there. So for that, let me help you. Let me show you the content page, and then we will start the first lesson. You can see the content page. The first part is the prose, and the first lesson which we will today start is the Indian civilization and culture. There are about 11 lessons in the prose section, and the next part is the poetry. There are 10 poetries here in our book. The first one again is The Sweetest Love I Do Not Go by John Donne. And the last part is Read, Think and Enjoy, which you can read it in your free time to enjoy. So this is our content which we are going to read throughout our class 12. So our first lesson before starting that, which is the Indian civilization and culture, and it is an extract by Mahatma Gandhi. So let's start our class with a thought of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi said, literacy in itself is no education. Literacy is not the end of education or even the beginning. By education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in the child and man, their body, mind and spirit. Hope you have understood, but still, by this thought, Gandhiji meant, or he always viewed education as an all-round development and just not as literacy. He thought that only getting degrees and certificate is not called education. As you know, Gandhiji, further talking about him, Gandhiji was also known as the father of the nation, and very fondly we called him Bapu also. He was born on October 2nd, 1869, and he had two very powerful weapons with which he fought against the British to gain independence. It was non-violence and truth. This person, as you know, the Gandhi ji doesn't need very special any introduction. He led India to independence and inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. So let's go to the first page. I will show you the first page. It might help you while we study. The first page is this: Indian civilization and culture. Students, what is civilization? I know that you might be knowing, but let me also tell you, civilization is Sabhyata and culture is Sanskriti. तो हमारे लेसन का नाम भारतीय सभ्यता और संस्कृति, which is written by Mahatma Gandhi. Let's see the introduction part. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, he was born in 1869 and died in 1948. He was also popularly known as Bapu, or the father of the nation, and he was much more a spiritual leader than a politician. He successfully used truth and non-violence. These were the two weapons, as I said, chief weapons, with which he fought against the British and helped India gain independence. From 1915 till 1948, he completely dominated the Indian politics and died on 30 January 1948. He had written an autobiography, which was My Experiments with Truth, and many more articles he wrote for Young India. He also delivered many speeches, which shows that he was an original thinker. In this extract, which we are going to study as our first lesson, Indian civilization and culture, Gandhiji talks about the sound or the concrete foundation of Indian civilization, which has successfully withstood the passage of time. It means that may come many hurdles or whatever may come, our civilization has not changed. The fact is, the fact is that the whole of the world is now recognizing our civilization. In this fight against coronavirus, we can see the example also, the very simple example but very famous nowadays, the system of doing namaste instead of shaking hands is becoming worldwide. So there are many more examples which the world has accepted that Indian civilization is the greatest of all. So in this lesson, again further, when we are going to start, we will see that Gandhiji has laid stress that Indian civilization is unmatchable. But before starting the lesson, let me tell that you can see the box. There are 4 questions in the box. 4 questions हैं और इसका नाम हम लोगों ने दिया है टाइम टू थिंक सेक्शन. इसमें देर आर 4 क्वेश्चंस. हमें इसे पढ़ना है और सोचना है इसके बारे में. एंड अभी आप लोग घर पे हैं, नाउ यू आर एट होम, सो यू कैन discuss these questions with your family members, your brothers, sisters, and then in the next day we will start our lesson. The first question is, what do you know about Gandhiji? I know that you must be knowing about Gandhiji till now, but after this introduction part, you must be knowing a bit more. What did Gandhiji do for the farmers in Bihar? Farmers के लिए उन्होंने क्या किया बिहार में? What do you understand by civilization and culture? अभी मैंने बताया civilization और culture, what do you understand by that? And the last question is, what do our holy scriptures tell us about universal human values? Holy scriptures हमारे धार्मिक ग्रंथ, human values मानवीय मूल्यों के बारे में. तो हमारे धार्मिक ग्रंथ जो हैं मानवीय मूल्यों के बारे में क्या बताते हैं? अगर आप भूल भी गए होंगे तो हमने अभी टीवी पे बहुत सारे कार्यक्रम इस तरह के देखे हैं, तो ये आप लोग डिस्कस करेंगे घर पे. एंड देन वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. टिल देन टेक केयर. We'll meet in the next class. Okay, bye.